Hello everybody. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how you can set up Google Console for your website. Okay, so first of all, you need to log into your Google account that you want to associate with your website. So I've got my Google up here and there's my username, and I'm going to just add my password. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is search for Google Console, because I can't remember the URL. And what you're looking for is this right here, Webmaster Tools. Sorry, it was the first one. Okay, so click through to that. Okay, so it's asking me to enter my password again. Okay, so here we are inside the Google Console, and what we need to do is add a property. So we're going to basically go to the front end of your website and just copy the URL and paste it. Okay, and add property. But what we're going to do, and a lot of people don't realize this, is that we're going to add both the www version of your URL and the non-www version. It's a bit of a tongue twister, isn't it? Okay, but first of all, we'll just go ahead and do one at a time. Alright, so when you add the property, it's going to ask you for the verification, and this is what a lot of people get scared of, but don't, because it's not difficult. I'm going to show you how to do it for WordPress websites. Okay, so the easiest way is to go to alternate methods. There's many methods, and I'm going to show you what I believe to be the easiest. Okay, so the top one here, HTML tag, if you click that, and what we have to do now is we have to just paste some code into the back end of our website, and it's very easy. I'm going to show you how. Okay, so first we'll copy the code, and then what you do, and of course I'm showing you on WordPress now, so it's different whatever platform you're using. But in WordPress, what we do is we're going to go to Editor on your menu down the left. So click on Editor, and Editor comes under Appearance. It's a subcategory of Appearance. Alright, so we're in the editor. Now what we do is we're going to scroll down using this scroller here. Okay, you'll get that pop-up box. I'm using Divi and there's all these warnings. But it's fine, I've done it a million times. Okay, so in this area of your screen, you're going to have all these options, and you're going to choose header.php. You'll find it if you scroll down. It's header.php. Alright, so next what we need to do is that code that we copied, we need to paste it into this area here. But it needs to go somewhere very specific. You look for the head, okay, in between those two symbols. You can see it right there where my mouse is. I'll just move my mouse out the way. Okay, hit enter and then backspace, and then go ahead and paste, so that it appears right underneath the head tag there. Okay, and then you can go ahead and update file, and it usually takes a minute, and it says file edited successfully, so we're now done, but not quite, because what we now do is we go back to Google Console, right, and now we need to hit that verify button right there, and if we're successful, then we've succeeded, and it should be. And it says, congratulations, you've successfully verified ownership of my website. Okay, so I'm going to hit continue, and I'm going to do a new tutorial in the coming days or weeks about what Google Console is good for and how to use it effectively, but that's another subject. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to add another property. So I'm going to click on Google Console, and now we're going to do the www.version. Okay. Okay, now we will not need to paste any code for this one. Okay, so all I'm going to do now is I'm going to tick I'm not a robot, and I'm going to verify, because we've already done the code. This is just adding another. Okay, it failed, so I've gone to alternate methods, I've clicked on HTML tag. Now it should work. Yeah, perfect. So I didn't need to put the HTML tag in because I did that previously with the other version of my URL, but I did need to click on that HTML tag option. Okay, so now we've got both versions of the property in Google Console, and that's how you connect Google Console with your website.